Okay, guys, we are in Target, and it is time for our weekly Target couponing haul. Um, let's stay on budget, use coupons, and of course, Target gift cards. So let's see what the deal is. It's Bounce Down and Gang Laundry additive item. $9.99 and up. Buy three, get a $10 card. Okay, guys. I actually came here for 9 elements. As you can see, they don't have any left. So I'm actually going to scan the seventh generation for something. Hold on, guys. So the seventh generation toilet cleaner is 50% off. So it's $1.99. So that make it what? $1.49 each. That is a good deal. I'm gonna try it. It's a good deal, especially if you want to try it. And it is at $2.99. So I'm gonna grab a towel and tub cleaner. Then I will go back around and talk to you about this because this is a great deal in Target going on again. So as soon as that owl clear up. Now we're looking at the seventh generation disinfectant bathroom cleaner. It's at $3.99. Look at that. 50% off this also. Target has a great 50% off deal in their circle app. So we are also going to grab that, paying what? $1.99 for that, or $2 each. So let's grab one of those. Okay. And these are actually products I wanted to try but did not, like, they were too expensive at the time, so that's why I didn't try them. So let's find, guys, start scanning in your app whatever you want from Target. It's a great deal. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you something. The coupon is actually expired. It expired yesterday. But see this buy one, get one 30% off. If you still had that $1.50 coupon, it would have been great. But since you don't, you get buy one for $2.69. You get one for 30% off. But you also can submit this back to Ibotta and get $1.50, $1 back on each one of them, or $1.50. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. So that would have been a great deal. But since you don't have the coupon, I'm not going to mess with that either. Okay, but we do have Airwick there at $3.39. We have a $1.50 off coupon of one Airwick starter kit. And when you submit to Ibotta, you get $1.50 back. So let's do that one. Okay, we are over here in their beauty aisle, and this is the circle offer. This is something new they started back. Oh, that's new again. Spend 20, get $5 off your a $5 gift card. Fantastic deal, because it's a lot included in this deal that you wouldn't even think is included. So guys, start scanning some stuff. Okay, so I was gonna go for a Jergens deal, but they do not have the new Jergens that I've been liking and fainting over. So I'm not gonna do that deal at all. I will find another beauty deal to do. Remember, a lot is involved in their beauty deal. There is an offer that is involved in a beauty deal that I told you guys about. See, beauty depends on what it is. So you could do the Listerine tabs. You remember we have $1 off of 8 tabs. So let's see how this is right here. So here we are in the Crest department. Spend 20, get a $5 gift card. I'm gonna add one of the Listerines onto there, but for now I want to look at the Crest and see which one is. I want to get this. We're gonna do some Ibotta deal. So we're gonna do the Crest Brilliance, which is $6.99. We're gonna scan it, of course. Then we're gonna do the Crest Gum and Sensitive at $6.99. And then we're going to do two counts, 6 count of Oral-B toothbrushes at $4.99. So let's get to adding up what we got. So let's look at what we're going to get right here for the spend 20, get $5 off. We're going to grab one Listerine tablet ready tabs. They at $2.99. Use one Oral-B 6 count toothbrushes at $4.99. We're going to get 100 Brilliance 3D white toothpaste at $6.99. Then we're going to get another toothpaste, Gum Sensitive Defy, at $6.99. That's going to take you to $21.96. Now, out of the May P&G. Okay, so let's go over exactly what we got. Now I'm gonna do the Listerine tabs, and I do have $1 off in my Target app that attaches to this. I'm gonna do the Oral-B 6 count toothbrushes. I'm gonna do one Crest 3D Brilliance and one Crest Gum Define. After that came up to $21, after I deducted all the coupons out, that added up to, oh, let me subtract my $1. That okay, it'll take you to $14.96. Then, of course, you guys know I always flip a gift card to bring it down lower. I'm going to add on another $5 Target gift card, and let's subtract that. We're going to pay $9.96 out of pocket. Target is going to give me back another $5 gift card. And then guess what, guys? I'm going to submit these two to Ibotta. $3 back for this one and $3 for that one. So after we take away our $6 from Ibotta for the two toothpastes, $3.96 out of pocket, or about 98 cents each. So that's a great deal. I'm going to grab that deal. Okay, let's get to this other deal that I wanted to show you but couldn't because the worker was in line. These right here are back on sale for $3.99. Of course, we know that coupon in the May P&G has been lowered to $2. No worries for that. Let me scan it and show you guys exactly what's coming up. Okay, when I scan it, you get 25% off. Guess what, guys? Making this 74 cents. So yes, we're gonna grab that. Now remember, we already know this is half off. This is the towel and tub cleaner, which is $2.99 by 7th Generation, and this is another 7th Generation disinfectant bathroom cleaner, and this one is $3.99, half off of that, paying $1.99. So far this is what we're going to grab. Now we already have $6 coming back from Ibotta, so let's go on some more. And guys, I grabbed this and went and put it back. I gotta go get it. I think I never picked it up. That's what it is. I picked it up and then put it back. I'm all over the place today. Let's go get my spray. Okay, so this is some more of the Beauty 5. See that? That's another great deal right there. So I want to grab this right here, $3.39. And of course, this is the coupon right here. So we're going to end up submitting it to Ibotta also and get $1.50 back. So we're up to $6, $7.50 back from Ibotta already. That is a great deal. Let's keep it moving. Oh, guys, also I want to let you guys know this is an honorable mention. I don't want it. Okay, you can use the Burt's Beeswax. Use the $2 Crest coupon because you guys know that Burt's Beeswax is owned by Crest, right? So use that. You'll also get $3 back from Ibotta. My daughter mouth broke out from Burt's Beeswax. Even though she's a vegetarian, she could not use that. You guys see that the Glade is $7.99. Let me scan this. For some reason, I need to scan because it's in an end cap. Look like this. Okay, it's $1 off, so it's $6.99 for a 26 count of Glade garbage bag. Well, I won't do that deal because we did that deal several times already, and I just don't think it's worth it anymore. Now, look at this, guys. Buy one, get one free. 4-pack of paper towel. They're $4.99. I don't do CVS, but if you guys do CVS, I think the deal is better at CVS. You guys know they're just trying to give away all of their toilet paper because they stacked up and now they have way too much of it. But I don't do CVS, so guys, so I just gave you a spend $20, get $5 back deal. I wish they would keep doing these deals. This is fantastic. I love when Target had these deals. I collect the gift card. What's this? They got a clearance. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that's heavy. And it's made out of ceramic. 50% off. $7. Still not worth it. So we're gonna go and check out now, guys, and see how we done. Okay, guys, so here we go. Oh, I got the wrong receipt. So here we go. Here is Target, guys. With everything together plus some extra junk, I ended up paying $24. I got my $5 gift card back. Guys, go do this deal. This is quick and easy. Don't forget, I will submit this receipt to Ibotta, and I will get $7.50 back. So that will end up me paying what? $3.96 out of pocket for the spend 20, get the $5 off. $5 gift card deal. So actually I made $1.04 money maker. So this is a win situation. Go do it, guys. And don't forget to submit to Ibotta and download, like I said. Bye. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share the channel.